One of the thing I've realized, when you're working hard, you're putting your time, efficient energy into your work, whether it's a job or it's a business. But one thing which truly separates rich from wealthy is how many incomes you have. You need to understand you only have limited hours in a day to work. You cannot expand it, it doesn't work like that. But what the rich people have figured out, and we are yet to learn, is to understand how to make money when we sleep. One of the best tried tested formula which has worked for me and my clients is by creating rental income. It's simple, it's not complicated. You buy good properties in great locations which creates income for you. That income comes to your account every month. That income, once saved again, can create a down payment for the new property which creates more income. But by investing into real estate, that too a specific income generating real estate can give you the advantage to create incomes, to create multiple flow of incomes and be truly wealthy. Why wealth is important is purely because it gives you freedom. Money doesn't give you freedom, income gives you freedom. You have income coming in every month that allows you to make expenses going out every month. When you have multiple flows of income, you will be wealthy, you will have time, you will have freedom, and then you're free to do anything you want to do. Whether it's travel the world, spend time with family, go do your personal activity, whatever your hobbies are, you want to take pictures, go to cinema, make movies, whatever works for you. But you need to understand this is the only way you can be financially free, by creating more income. I have been in real estate for more than 20 years, and one thing I've realized is not every property can give you that kind of income what you aim. It requires some homework, it requires some expenses control, it also requires specific research, the location, the project, the density, the jobs around, the location itself. Once you have shortlisted these properties, all you need is to just take an action and invest. The more you invest, the more income you create. I'm not a big fan of every property, but specific properties which we have created for our clients have been given a proving return formula for so many years. Keep investing, keep creating income, and I can assure you, you will stand out from your friends or family, and you will be more financially wise, you'll have more time, you'll have more freedom to do anything in the world.